Hi everyone, this is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so here I'm just using a Mary Kay lip primer to make sure that my lipstick stays in place for a while after it has been applied and these steps are completed. Here I'm using Mary Kay lipstick in the shade Poppy Please. It's an orange red color. It's a little more orangey than the reds, but I really enjoy that color. I think that color looks really nice on me. So I thought that I'd use this color to demonstrate to you guys how to turn the lipstick into lip stain. And here I'm just using the finishing powder, or I'm showing it to you anyway. I'm showing you all the steps. So you need the brush, you need a tissue, and the powder. You put the tissue over your lips and while you're putting powder on your brush, you have to hold it in place with your mouth. But you stretch it out over your lips and you put the powder onto the brush and you dab it all over the tissue onto your lips. This finishing powder turns your lipstick into a lip stain, making it long-lasting wear. And I think the finishing result looks really good. It does come off a little faster than regular lip stain, but it definitely improves the lifespan of regular lipstick within itself. And here is the finished result. As you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's a little more matte than it was before, but that is completely fine. I love it. I actually really enjoyed it. Thank you everyone for watching my channel. I really appreciate you all coming here. I had to start a new channel due to some problems on my old one, but that's okay. But I really hope that you enjoyed watching these videos, and I'm going to be uploading another one next Monday, not the one after Super Bowl Sunday, because today is Super Bowl Sunday, so the following Monday. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to upload yet, but I have also been working on a lip art series. I'm still trying to learn how to do that myself, but I might show you how to do those. I might not. It really depends on how they start turning out. But thank you all for watching this. I really do appreciate it. So I'll see you guys again soon, and I hope that you guys all have a good Super Bowl Sunday.